Hey everyone, it's Miss Purple Vibes and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make some perfect air fried ribs. Alright, as you already know, first off, you're going to wash them up, get them cleaned, pat them dry, and we're going to take the back of this off. The back of this is called membrane. You don't want people to talk about you at the backyard barbecue, so make sure that you take this off. And usual, you go ahead and use whatever spices and seasonings that you desire. These are just the ones that I use to flavor up my ribs. Go ahead and massage all that seasoning into your ribs so it could be bursting with flavor. Yeah, you want people to say, who made the potato salad? Or guess what? Who made them ribs? Who made them ribs? Yeah, that's me. That's me. Right here. Once you get them all seasoned up, it's then time to put them in the air fryer. I like to put mine on a higher setting for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once the time is up, I like to check on them to see what they're looking like. And my favorite part, time to eat. Look at that steam coming from those ribs. Like I said, I'm going to grab a plate. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you again. Bye.